Over 1,500 small businesses fail or close every day in the United States. This affects the small business owner, it affects their employees, and it affects their families. But how many of those companies would have closed if they had only understood the process of selling to the US government, which is the single biggest purchaser of goods and services in the world? You know, the US federal government spends over $150 billion each year on everything you could think of, from Tai Chi and yoga instruction to the highest end technology. Yet less than half of 1% of small businesses are selling to the government. As a former government procurement officer, I saw the struggle of small businesses trying to approach a federal sales process they didn't understand. But more importantly for you is I also got to see how small businesses successfully sold over and over again, really reaping the rewards of all of our tax dollars on the very necessary services and items that the government needs to procure. What we're doing with DoD Contract Academy is taking the process, which can seem complex and overwhelming, and I get it, and making it simple and step by step. So we take it module by module. If you join DoD Contract Academy, first, easy to sign up. You're on the website, you can hit Join DoD Contract Academy. Next, you just want to take our modules step by step, and you're going to learn the basics of selling to the US government. Each week, we have a coaching call with myself and other former government procurement officers and top public sector sales executives to help you along the way. And finally, you're going to build a pipeline of opportunities in your niche targeted at an agency that's buying what you sell, with advisors along the way to troubleshoot and help you close that first, second, third contract, get you on your way. Join DoD Contract Academy today. You can join month by month. There's no risk. You can cancel anytime. I'd love to see you in there and help you win that first, second, or third contract. Thanks.